My name is Caitlin Monahan. I'm a research associate at the Institute for Better Health, and I've been redeployed to THP's PPE innovations team, where we've been printing face shields and mask extenders for the frontline workers at Trillium. Because of the pandemic, obviously there's been a widespread shortage in protective equipment at hospitals, and so what we're doing here is we are making some 3D printed face shields, and we're also making mask extenders to create a storage in case we have a shortage within Trillium Health Partners. And so what the mask extender is it's a little piece of plastic that goes at the back of your head, and you just hook the straps of your mask around it, and it prevents your mask straps from rubbing against the back of your ears, which can get really irritating over time. The actual design part of it is really collaborative in the 3D printing community. The initial design was actually made by a 12-year-old Boy Scout. He published that design, made it available, and we have kind of adapted it a little bit, and that's what we're printing off. For the assembly of the face shields, we basically have 3 parts. We have the 3D printed visor, the plastic sheet that kind of comes over the face to protect, and then the mask strap, which comes at the back of the head. 12 of the printers that we're running here are on loan from the York Catholic District School Board, and then another 4 are from contacts at the hospital. We want our hospital staff and our frontline workers to feel safe and to know that we're able to provide all of the protective equipment that they need. Thank you to all of our partners in the community who have donated and helped us with the printing process. It's been really great, and the support is very much appreciated.